Dear students, welcome to virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 10th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class.
Dear students, I have shown the cover page of your textbook on my computer screen. Why? Because this video is going to talk to you about, I am going to give you information about the portion that is reduced or omitted by the State Education Council and Research of Maharashtra SCERT. Why? Because the COVID pandemic have resulted in a situation where you cannot prepare the whole textbook for the exam. So I will be taking you to the website of SCERT and you should regularly check there for further information, timetable and other matters. Secondly, I want to tell you one important thing. In every circular regarding the portion to be studied, it is given in the last column of the circular. I will show you the circular. Swadhyan is given. That means the questions won't come from the omitted part, but it doesn't mean that you don't have to study. आप पढ़ना नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. आप पढ़े नहीं तो आपको हो सकता है कि आगे पढ़ने में तकलीफ, और इसमें भी किसी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व, मैं मैथ्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है. So you are supposed to study it yourself, and I was also helping you to my level best to include those portions which are omitted, because knowledge of those omitted part is very essential for doing the sums of non-omitted portion. तो मैं मेरे तरफ से आपको maximum दे दिया है अपने videos में, but at the same time I would like to tell you that this portion omitted, which I will be going through thoroughly now in front of you in the form of video, that portion is omitted means questions won't come from that in the board exam. Abhi, when exams are coming close by, we will only think about doing the best and scoring the best mark. That is why SCERT also decided to omit some portion. So now you might have prepared the full textbook, or I might have given you more information. Abhi kya karenge? Only limited portion which is prescribed for the coming exam, उतना ही आप prepare करेंगे. स्वाध्याय कुछ दिया है, यू हैव ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड. अभी बाद में भी चाहिए रिजल्ट आने तक आपको. इफ द mensuration of part 2 is omitted, doesn't mean that you don't have to study about it. You will study about it. I have already given the video also. So what I am trying to say is, this video will be giving you information about the omitted portion, and now you will prepare only those very essential, very important, ready to score for the board exam. Okay, let me take you to the website and come back to the textbook and explain you what are omitted. Okay, dear students, this is an image of my desktop. Why? Because I just want to tell you that you should be a very clear regular visitor of our SCERT website, State Council of Educational Research and Training. Why? Because the circulars coming over there are important to you. Now your exams are very close by, the dates will come, the timetable will come, changes will come. So something very important I would like to show you through this video, and I would like to show you that as I am dealing with the mathematics textbook, I will be helping you to understand what are the which are the portion omitted in maths 1 and 2, which I will be showing page wise now in this video. For that I should visit the website also, so that the website is, you can type in either Bing or Google search Maharashtra SCERT, State Council of Education and Research. Most probably you will get it directly. Yes, the website is mwa.ac.in. otherwise you can simply search the way I searched. Get into that and try to find out how the website is. You should be familiar with it. I will just expand it for you. This is a website. There are a lot of things over there, and you will be getting all kind of latest information with scroll is over there. Shikshak Margadashika Purak Sahit. Lot of things like that. We will just scroll down to see where it is given about omitted portion, and it is in Marathi, so I have to convert that into English to make you understand, means to mark in your textbook. You know Marathi well, I know that, but the point over here is शैक्षणिक वर्ष 2020-20 साठी कमी करण्यात आलेल्या जर्मन नहीं हमको पूरा चाहिए. In that case you are having you should search here every time where it is, so you can see that here you can see शैक्षणिक वर्ष 2020-21 साठी कमी करण्यात आलेल्या पाठ्यक्रम. You can see that, no? This you can click and get the information about what are the topics omitted due to COVID pandemic from your this year's exam. So that should be very thoroughly understood, because now exams are coming close by. You don't have to prepare for something which is not going to be asked. Let me get into this. Let me try what is there inside. It takes us to another page. This is the page, and in the page there are a lot of options. In that, when we go down, see Madhyamik Saril Iyatha. Now with this we Abhyas Kram. This one where it is talking about the reduction. You will click that and you will get a download which will be telling you about the details of portion reduced. Ganit Bhag 1 and 2. दोनों का it is in page number 1 to 12. It is given over here. Okay. Unfortunately, it is in you have to rotate it. I'll do it for you. See, this is that how it is given. You see, this is of 9th standard, and this video is for 10th standard. I will move to 10th standard. Then you can see that it is there. This is also of 9th standard, Maths 2. Let me go down. 10th standard, Ganit Bhag 1. It is given here something interestingly. What is the topic in such a way that let me take a highlighter here. The right hand will, if it works well and good. See, it is given here. 1 second. Okay. This will be mentioning about the topic, and this will be the page number. This will be talking about the columns and Vagalnyat Alelia Ashay Sapashil, the details about the portion which is reduced, and uske bare mein ek remark what you should do about it. So this will help you to understand how you should prepare. It is given Swayam Adhyayan, that means you will prepare yourself. But when we say Vagalnyat, matlab they are reduced, so naturally that will be omitted from the question paper. I will go through this, which are the topic which are not going to be there in the evaluation. Okay, so let me start with this, and for that I need the textbook. In fact, along with that, let me see whether textbook is available. Yes, textbook is available. So I should convert this page a little. I should make this small so that I can keep it side by side. Okay, is it okay for you? I think it is okay for you. Okay for you now. Okay, good. You can see this page and as well as the other page. I will just make it fit for the screen. Okay, this is it, and this is your textbook. And the matter is that here you will be getting page number, and here you will be getting what is omitted. Let me go first, otherwise the video will become quite lengthy. It will become little bit heavy for you. Those who feel that they will do it themselves, they can do it themselves. Otherwise, अभी आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, आपका टेक्स्ट बुक खोल के इसके सामने बैठ सकते हैं. You can pause the video now, open your textbook, bring the textbook in front of the screen so that you can directly mark the portion which are reduced because of pandemic. Here you can see that the chapters linear equation into variable, all these are, this is the index. Now comes the page number 1. Page number 2, it is given that वरुण चौथे ओली पासून पूर्ण पृष्ठ दोन्ही स्तंभात मीन्स कॉलम में ऊपर का 4 लाइन जोड़ के. That means from here, as per my understanding, it must be From here it is omitted. You mark with a pen over here, that will be good for you. I will mark with a pen, okay. From here onwards. From here onwards, you can scroll down and full page. Doni stampas, matlab this and this. Both are not there. Going to the page, next page, here it is given page number 3. So I will go to page number 3. Udaharan 2. Second question. 1 to 17. Okay, this one. This is example 2. This is also not there. Please understand. Okay, going to the next one. Page number 4. Page number 4. Page number 4 is this. In that, Sara Sanch, matlab problem set. Sara Sanch 1.1 matil Udaharan 1. That means this one. This one is removed. That means this one is removed. Okay, so that way we will go ahead. Page number 4. You are having problem set 1.1 matil Udaharan 2 matil Udaharan 2 matil question number 2 mein 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is something very special. Page number is 5, and in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are coming under the reduced portion. So you will be preparing for questions like 7, 8, 9. You should prepare these, then only you can answer 7, 8 questions. Let it be. This is the instruction from here. Then directly we are going to here also I will take out this green one. Okay, directly you are going to 16. चलो जल्दी जाएंगे. 16 में क्या है? This is 9. Here 16 is given. Okay, 16 is out. Okay, 16 Kriti Chaukat. Varun all 15 to 20. Okay, what is that? Kriti Chi Chaukat. 16. Understood. 15 to 20 is omitted. So this one. This activity is not. Okay, 17, 18 पूर्ण पृष्ठ, मतलब इसके आगे ये पूरा पेज ही कैंसिल किया है. 17 and 18. Okay, this is also the same way cancelled. Okay, we are going ahead. Then 19 Kriti. Kriti means activity. So ये activity भी नहीं है. So this is also not there. Problem set 1.4 मतलब संपूर्ण उदाहरण. Okay, this is also not there. One question. Question number 1.1 संपूर्ण उदाहरण of page number 19. Afterwards 19, 28. 1.4 complete we have done. Okay, we are going to 28 now. 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. What is happening in 28? These numbers are according to Marathi textbook, almost matches, and you can, if any mistake if I am doing, you should also be very aware about what I am doing. पूर्ण संकीर्ण प्रश्न 1 मधील उदाहरण 6 मधील संपूर्ण उदाहरण. All this. मधील संपूर्ण उदाहरणे. Okay, 37 वरुण सातव्या गोलीपासून पूर्ण पृष्ठ, वो 37 में जाना है हमको. दिस इज 31. 37 ये छोड़ के solution of quadratic equation by completing square. In fact, I had done a video on this for you. Now you don't worry about it. Now it is a time of learning. Concentrate. What is required you will learn. And 38 Purna, 38 complete. Okay, 39 उदाहरण 2. ये उदाहरण का मतलब इधर एग्जाम्पल है. उदाहरण 2 वरुण 1 to 9. This one is omitted. Then problem set 2.3 is starting in page number 39. In that संपूर्ण सारा संच 3 मध्ये संपूर्ण उदाहरण मतलब 2.3 पूरा कैंसिल हो गया. ठीक है. So we are reaching here and we will search here. Now we have to move to 42 page number पूर्ण पृष्ठ 42. Complete. It is removed completely. Okay. Then comes 43 कृति पूर्ण वर्ग पद्धति नको. कृति मतलब एक्टिविटी. We'll see what is that activity. By completing the square and by using verify that you will get the same root. Here that it is example 43. In 43 page पूर्ण वर्ग पद्धति नको मतलब you are not supposed to have this method. What is it? Purna, where is it in fact? पूर्ण वर्ग पद्धति ने नको, वो नहीं चाहिए. Look at this activity. This is not required. Okay. Then comes 46, 47. What is that? 46, 47. In 46, 47, Purna Prasht. Okay. Full page is omitted. Okay. Then 49 ये वरुण और 2 से 4. Isn't 49? देखता हूँ क्या है वो. 2.5 मधील उदाहरण पहली उदाहरण तीसरी. इसमें क्या है? ये लक्षात ठेवूया. उसमें 2 से 4 तक और 2.5 में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन. ओके. एंड फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन एंड सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन. Okay, and 53 संकीर्ण प्रश्न संक्रम मधील प्रश्न 2 मधील उदाहरण 1 मधील 6वे उदाहरण. Oh, so I should go to page number 53, 51 it is, 52, 53. Okay, in that problem set 2. Okay, and question number 1. Okay, इसमें 6वे उदाहरण this one. 54th page संकीर्ण 2 मधील उदाहरण 10. That means this one. You can pause the video, adjust the time and mark. Now comes video ने से वो फायदा है. 54 में जाना है आपको, नहीं ऑलरेडी आई मीन 54 and I have marked. Now going to 81 से to 112. What is that? पूर्ण प्रकरण वगले आहे. Very serious matter. Financial. 81 to 112 का मतलब it's a big omission. Let me go little fast. Let me see, 81 इधर है. That means financial planning. This starts from 81. Full chapter is omitted. On 12 तक. These all are included in that. Please understand, these all are. We prepared a lot during September, October. That is not a big loss. This is very general information for you regarding taxation and all. Now that is not there in the coming exam. Up till here everything you should understand. Up to here full chapter, but this chapter is there. This is there probability. Full chapter is there. Now you are having omission in 129 only. 129. Go to 129. What is the page number? No, little fast. Statistics. Is it 129? Yes. 129 से 168 तक मतलब full statistics is omitted. Your teachers know this, even I know this now and before also. Anyway, you should not spend much time on preparing for written exam regarding this chapter of statistics. So it is up to 168. The omission is up to 168 means what you should understand, the whole statistics chapter is omitted. And this is what is the case of what we say part 1 of your mathematics textbook, and we have to move to part 2 now. Okay, please wait. Let us move to part 2 of your mathematics textbook. Here is the list of the portion omitted, the Havi Ganit Bhag 2. Trikonache, Konodubache Prame. Page number 8 it starts. Page number 8 we should go fast. Okay. This is not there. Let us go ahead. Page number 9, something is there. What is that? Sampurna Prasth. Oh, the whole page is omitted. Okay, page number 10. Trikonache, Konodubache Prame. This is almost completely omitted. Understood? Sampurna Prasth. Page number 11. Remember this, in that Varun all 9 pasun all 19 पर्यंत मतलब 9 to 19. उदाहरण 3-4. ठीक है, ये दोनों मिट हो गया. पेज नंबर 11 वापस पेज नंबर 11. That is what we did now, right? पेज नंबर 12. सोडवलेले उदाहरण 2 कृती 10 से 14 पर्यंत. This is in page number 12. उदाहरण 2, right? कृति और एक्टिविटी ये तो कैंसिल हो गया. एक्टिविटी भी कैंसिल हो गया, राइट। 10 से 24 पर्यंत। पेज नंबर 13 again, activity 1 to 9, this much is omitted. पेज नंबर 14 नहीं 13 में वापस है। 1.2 example 1, in that 1 to 3, example 1 में 1 to 3 है, right? In 1.2 question number 1, 1 2 3, right? This one and this one omitted. Question number 40, page number 14 15, उदाहरण 3 5 6 7 8 9 11। ओह, स्पेशली सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा। 3 नहीं है, फिर उसके बाद 5 6 7, these all are omitted. Then 8 9 11, 8 9 10 is there, but 11 is not there. Okay, good. So we have reached here. Page number 28 8 9 10, पेज नंबर 28 में जाना पड़ेगा। पेज नंबर 28 and 29 दोनों मिलके there are उदाहरण क्रमांक 8 9 10। This is 8, this is 9, 10 is in next page. These are omitted। 40 से 42 तक पूरा 40 डायरेक्ट, 29 से हम 40 में जाएंगे थोड़ा फास्ट। इधर है 40 से 42 तक। Let me see. Application of Pythagoras theorem is omitted. 41, Apollonius theorem is omitted. 42, 43 we are having 2.2 exercise. In that 1 से 5 तक 1 2 3 4 5 पूरा हो गया, मतलब पूरा कैंसल्ड। डायरेक्ट बोल सकता था, चलेगा। 1 to 5 is omitted. Then in 44 बहुपर्यायी उदाहरण क्रमांक 6, उदाहरण का मतलब इधर it is question number 6. Oh sorry, 44 बहुपर्यायी उदाहरण क्रमांक 6। What is this? Altitude of hypotenuse triangle. Divide the triangle in two parts of length. Find the length of the altitude. Let me cancel this. It is not a big question. You should know this, no problem. Let me check this one. In triangle ABC, segment AP is a median. Okay, AP is a median. ABC is an AB square is equal to 260. Find AP. This also you can find out. Some confusion about बहुपर्यायी उदाहरण क्रमांक is this one, but not that serious and tough. Leave it like that. Question number 8, 9, 12 of page number 45. Okay, so in that case I have to take the pen again. 8, oh क्या हुआ, draw red, 8, then 9, 8 9, right, and 12, ठीक है। ये तीनों, these three are not there. Going ahead in 46, 17 and 18 is not there both. And in next circle chapter आ गया. Good. उसमें कुछ issues नहीं है, मतलब permission. Directly go into page number 75. 75 में what is given? स्पर्शिका छेदिका कोणाचे प्रमेय वरून ओल 5 पासून 23 पर्यंत. स्पर्श, I don't know the mathematical terms in Marathi, but I will try to understand. स्पर्शिका छेदिका कोणाचे प्रमेय, theorem of angle, tangent and secant को स्पर्शिका छेदिका बोलते. ठीक है, तो that is omitted. Understood. Then that is in page number 75. 76 to 82 complete. Not there. This is also not there. Time जाएगा मेरा इसे ड्रॉ करने बैठेगा तो you should understand. This is also not there. This is also not there. 70. Let me see once again. गलत तो नहीं करना है आपके सामने. It is where it is 76 to 82. जाना है, कट करना ही पड़ेगा. 80 हो गया. 81, 82. Oh, danger. Well, whatever is connected with practice 3.5, you don't have to prepare. Okay. Now comes problem set 3 and page number 83. In that question number प्रश्न संग्रह 3 उदाहरण 1 मधील उपप्रश्न 7. पेज नंबर 83. 3 उदाहरण 1 मधील, उदाहरण मतलब क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 समझना. प्रश्न 7. ओके, 7, this one. ठीक है. Right. 3 उदाहरण 1 मधील प्रश्न नंबर 7. Now going to 87. उदाहरण क्रमांक 13, 15. 13 हमारा ये पेज में है. 13 and 15. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इसको कमेंट कर देंगे. 88 में 16, 18. चलो 88 में 16 and 18 that is here omitted. और 89 उदाहरण क्रमांक 22. Omitted. उदाहरण क्रमांक 24 again here omitted. Right. 116 रेषेय छटकृती 1 वरून ओल 10 पासून 26 पर्यंत. 116 में चलो फास्ट जाएंगे. 116. What is it? रेषे से छठ कृति 1 वरून ओल 10 पासून 26 पर्यंत. स्लोप ऑफ ए लाइन omitted. ठीक है. 17 से 21 तक पूर्ण पाठ. 17. तक आ गया. 21 तक. वन से 4 उदाहरण 6, 7, 8. मतलब ये कैंसिल हो गया। 21 संपूर्ण पृष्ठ बोला है, so that means this also will be omitted, right? Correct. So here it is, that is over. 6, 7, 8. Then Prashna Sangra, that is problem set 5. Udaharan 1. Then 4. Upa Prashna 4. ये नहीं है. And उदाहरण 2 मतील, उदाहरण 2 मतील, उदाहरण 1, 2, 3. अच्छा ये भी नहीं है. Okay. In 123, 9, 10 आणि 22. ओके, ये भी ओमिट हो गया. 132 to 37 प्रश्न त्यावर आधारित उदाहरणे. 32 से 37 वा त्यावर आधारित उदाहरणे. पृष्ठ क्रमांक व आधारित उदाहरणे वेगळी आहेत. 30 to 37. What is the special? Let me see. Right from 32 to 37. Everything omitted. Application of trigonometry. Punch 37 and it is getting over. Okay, 140 to 163, 140, 38, 9, 40, mensuration completely omitted. 40 to 63 means all these things are omitted. To waste time, it is up to 63. Let me mark 63 तक है. So my dear students, lot of portion has been reduced, considering that you did not get proper time to learn, prepare because of COVID pandemic. It doesn't mean that these are not important. These are important. You should have an idea about all these things if you further study mathematics. But as the situation is demanding, we have reduced the portion and it is up to 63. And that is in such a way that when your mark sheet is prepared after the exam, it should not reflect that your poor score is because of pandemic. What is possible in pandemic, that adjustment is done by this portion removal, not because they are not supposed to be important or not required to study, but because of very unfortunate situation. So I think I have done the level best to make it accurate for you. But at the same time, you can very well check the website at any time to see that whether any new circular is coming, and you will also be in touch with your teachers to know that any changes are happening. I will be giving you revision, question paper and practice in the coming weeks. You can watch those videos and that will help you. Okay, thank you.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.